A sunny field with a clear blue sky. Zeta, the small air robot, is floating near a weather station with kids gathered around. Today, Zeta teaches us about tornadoes and their different sizes. A tiny tornado forms in the distance, barely taller than a tree, while Zeta shows its size on a screen. The smallest tornadoes can be just a few meters wide, like this one, but they still pack a powerful punch. The tornado grows wider, reaching the height of a small building. Zeta scans it, displaying its dimensions. Medium-sized tornadoes can be as large as a few hundred meters across, with winds strong enough to lift cars. A massive tornado now takes up the horizon, swirling dark clouds into the sky. Zeta hovers back to show its full scale. The largest tornadoes can stretch over a kilometer wide, like this one. These giants can cause immense damage to entire towns. Zeta floats back to the kids, pointing to a shelter while the tornado fades away. The screen flashes safety tips. Tornadoes come in all sizes, but with the right knowledge, we can stay safe when they appear.